Welcome back to eCreativeAid. We've all done it. When our glasses are smudged up, we reach for the corner of our shirt and we clean them off. The reason your shirt is terrible for cleaning glasses is because it's likely filled up with dust and that scratches the lenses. You also shouldn't use anything with ammonia, bleach, vinegar, or window cleaner because those chemicals strip away the coatings on your glasses. So now I'm going to teach you how to do the cleansing solution. First of all, you need 2 parts rubbing alcohol. Then you need water, 1 part. Then dish soap, 3 drops. Mix it all well, and then you can spray your glasses. And wipe the glasses dry. Now I'm going to teach you how to remove scratches. So first of all, put non-abrasive toothpaste on your lenses. Buff in circular motions with a towel, then clean off the toothpaste. And this is it. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.